I'm Jan Tilley, registered dietitian, and I have a recipe idea for you tonight for a grilled sirloin flatbread pizza that is just going to use up a lot of ingredients that you already had in the kitchen. All you need to do is take a sirloin, grill it outside, and then as the coals are dying down, you can take a fresh wheat pizza dough and flatten it out and put it on the grill about 3 to 4 minutes aside. It'll bubble up, look amazing. And then when you're finished, just take it, and we've done some caramelized onions. So these take about 20-30 minutes. And what you want to do is just sweat them down to where they have this wonderful browned, soft, ooey gooey flavor. So we're gonna put that on here. We also, in with the onion, put a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of paprika just to give it some color. And then we finished it off with some balsamic. So you can see that that's gonna be fantastic. Then we're gonna top that with some lemony arugula, just fresh and light and wonderful. So you're creating a complete meal that's just, your family is gonna love this. So put a little arugula there. Then we're gonna top it with some steak. So we've just taken the steak that we've grilled outside, and you can just put some of the little thin strips on there. You wanna make sure and cut it so that it is easy to chew. You don't wanna get a piece that you can't chew through. So get it where it's nice and beautiful, just like that. Then we're gonna top it with some shaved Parmesan cheese. Get plenty on there, it makes it taste fantastic. And then to the top of that, we're gonna do a little bit of balsamic vinegar. So in a way, you're creating this wonderful steak salad on top of your grilled flatbread. And then a little drizzle of a nice olive oil on top of that. And you have a fantastic flatbread that your family is going to love. Quick, easy dinner idea.